Welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload local files from your computer or PC to Spotify. So what you need to do is first open up the Spotify application on your mobile phone devices or on your MacBook or PCs. Once you do so, you need to get into Home, and once you successfully do, so there are two methods to do that. So the first one is get into the top left corner, get into Edit, and just go to Preferences. And once you get into Preferences, you can always get to show local files, and you can just tap on it. And to upload local files, you need to add a source, and you can always add the source like this. So this is the source. And if you want to do it from the other method, that is to simply get into your top right corner. Along that upgrade, there's your profile picture and the name of it. Tap on it, get into settings, and again you would be referred to that settings page where you can initially go down to show songs from, and you can add a source, and in that source you can simply write down the place where you need to get those local files from. So that way you can upload local files on your Spotify. And if you guys have any questions or queries about it, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the YouTube channel, and do hit that bell icon for amazing content like this. So take care, till next time, peace.